What's your name?
My name's Jacob.
Where are you from?
I'm from London.
Where do you come from?
I come from London.
What is your surname?
Brown.
What is your family name?
My family name is Brown.
What's your first name?
My first name is John.
What's your address?
I stay at 13 United Street.
Where do you live?
I live in England.
What's your telephone number?
My number is 845676.
What's your email address?
You can email me at john@gmail.com.
How old are you?
38.
When and where were you born?
I was born in 2074 in London.
What's your marital status?
I'm married.
What do you do, or what's your job?
I'm an English teacher.
Where did you go?
I went shopping with a friend.
What did you buy?
We bought some new clothes on sale.
Where were you?
I was in London for the weekend.
Have you got a house?
No, I live in a flat.
Have you got any children?
Yes, I've got 3 children.
Can you play tennis?
Yes, I can play tennis.
Can you speak English?
No, I can't speak Chinese.
Have you got something bigger?
Certainly, we've got larger sizes as well.
How do you feel about Clara?
Clara is quite friendly and helpful.
How was the movie?
It was very interesting.
Is it difficult to prepare for IELTS?
It's not if you're practice well.
What do you think about this book?
I think the book is very interesting.
Would you like something to drink?
Thank you. Could I have a cup of coffee and some?
Would you like some coffee?
Yes, thank you. I'd like some coffee.
What would you like to eat?
I'd like a burger, chips and soda.
What does she look like?
She's tall and slim, with blonde hair.
What do you like to do on weekends?
I like playing cricket.
Are there any sandwiches?
No, there aren't any sandwiches left.
Is there any rice?
Yes, there's a lot of rice left.
Where is the nearest bank?
The nearest bank is on United Street.
May I open the window?
Certainly, it's very hot in the office today.
What time is it?
It's 1 o'clock.
Can I pay by credit card?
Certainly, we accept all the major cards.
How would you like to pay?
I would like to pay by cash.
How much does it cost? How much is it?
This shirt is for $50.
Have you got something bigger?
Certainly, we've got larger sizes as well.
Can I try it on?
Sure, the changing rooms are over there.
May I help you?
Yes, I'm looking for a sweater.
How do you do?
Pleased to meet you.
Could you speak English when you were 5 years old?
Yes, I could speak English when I was 5 years old.
Hi there, how's your day going?
Hey, it's been good, thanks.
Any exciting plans for the weekend?
Not really, just catching up on some reading.
Have you seen any good movies lately?
Yeah, I watched a great comedy last night.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Not really, but I can manage a decent pasta.
What's your favorite type of music?
I'm into indie rock.
Coffee or tea?
Definitely coffee. Can't function without it.
What's your favorite, cats or dogs?
Dogs, no doubt, they're so loyal.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
Night owl for sure. Mornings are not my thing.
Do you have a favorite hobby?
I enjoy painting. It's my way of relaxing.
Favorite childhood memory?
Going on road trips with my family. Those were the best.
What's your dream vacation destination?
Bora Bora, surrounded by clear blue water.
Do you believe in ghosts?
Not really.
What's the last book you read?
I just finished a mystery novel. Kept me hooked till the end.
If you could have any superpower, what would it be?
Teleportation, no more traffic. How about you?
What's your favorite season?
Autumn, the colors and cool weather are perfect.
Do you have a favorite quote?
The only limit to our realization of tomorrow will be our doubts of today.
Any upcoming plans or goals?
Planning a short trip next month. Excited to explore a new place.
Where do you come from?
I come from London.
What is your family name?
My family name is Brown.
What's your telephone number?
My number is 845676.
Hi, Zara.
Hello, Max.
How are you?
I am pretty good.
What is your name?
My name is Emily.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak a little English.
Where are you from?
I am from New York.
Are you married?
Yes, I am married.
What time do you wake up in the morning?
I wake up at 6:30 am.
Do you have any pets?
No, I don't have any pets.
How do you relax after a busy day?
I relax by listening to music.
What languages do you speak?
I speak English, Hindi, and French.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I like to travel.
How do you learn English?
I learn English by watching Best English Online.
Do you like to take photos?
Yes, I like taking photos.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, I like to dance.
Are you a morning or night shower person?
I prefer morning showers.
Do you like to write?
Yes, I enjoy writing.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I like coffee.
Why do you like coffee?
I like coffee because it's energizing.
When do you usually wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock am.
Are you a student?
No, I am not a student.
Does she work here?
No, she doesn't work here.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Where do you work?
I work at a school.
How do you commute to work?
I commute by bus.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is David.
Why do you enjoy reading?
I enjoy reading because it relaxes me.
How are you doing today?
I'm doing well, thank you.
Any exciting plans for the weekend?
Just taking it easy, maybe catching up on some reading.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I love experimenting with new recipes. It's quite therapeutic.
What's your favorite type of music?
I'm into indie rock. It's single quotes s.so diverse and has a unique sound.
What's your favorite, cats or dogs?
Dogs, their loyalty is unmatched.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
Definitely a night owl. Mornings are a struggle.
What's your favorite hobby or pastime?
I enjoy painting. It's a great way to express myself.
What's your favorite coffee or tea?
Coffee, definitely. Can't start my day without it.
What's your dream vacation destination?
Bora Bora, surrounded by clear blue water.
Do you believe in ghosts or the supernatural?
Not really. I think there's usually a logical explanation for things.
Do you have a favorite movie?
I just finished a mystery novel. It kept me guessing until the end.
If you could have any superpower, what would it be?
Teleportation for sure. Imagine skipping traffic.
Do you play any musical instruments?
I can play the guitar a bit. It's a work in progress.
Favorite type of dessert?
Chocolate cake. You can't go wrong with chocolate.
If you could time travel, where would you go?
Maybe the 1920s, the jazz age seems fascinating.
Do you have any hidden talents?
I can juggle. It's a random skill I picked up.
What's your favorite season?
Autumn. The colors and cool weather are perfect.
What's the last book you read?
The Shawshank Redemption is a classic favorite.
What's your go-to comfort food?
Mac and cheese, classic and comforting.